I used to think I was just bad at mornings, tired before the day even started, anxious for no real reason, running on coffee just to feel normal by 10 a.m. I tried everything. Earlier bedtime, more sleep, better mattress, cold showers. None of it worked. And then I found research that completely changed the way I looked at sleep. The last 10 seconds before you fall asleep can shape how you feel the next morning. Because while you sleep, your brain keeps processing your emotional state overnight. So if you fall asleep stressed, distracted, or anxious, your brain strengthens those feelings for hours while you sleep. And that is why so many people wake up already feeling heavy, foggy, and emotionally drained before the day even begins. But once I understood what was happening and made 5 small changes before bed and after waking up, everything shifted. My energy, my mood, my anxiety, even the way mornings felt. And the best part is, these changes are simple, backed by sleep science, and start working within days. Here's exactly what I learned. Habit 1, the last 10 seconds. The most important thing you will do tonight. Most people think sleep is just the body shutting down and resting. It is not. While you sleep, your brain stays incredibly active. It reviews your day, your emotions, your experiences, your stress. And it decides what emotional patterns to strengthen and what to slowly let fade away. And here is the part researchers found really surprising. Whatever you are feeling in your final seconds before sleep, your brain treats it as emotionally important information. More important than your afternoon stress. More important than the random videos you watched. More important than almost anything else from the day. Those final feelings get processed and reinforced all night long. So think about what that means. If you fall asleep stressed, scrolling, worried about tomorrow, or replaying something painful in your head, your brain spends the next 8 hours practicing those emotions. You literally wake up with stress already activated inside your nervous system. And honestly, that is scary when you realize how many people do this every single night without noticing. But the opposite is also true. If your final seconds hold one real positive emotion, even a small one, your brain reinforces that instead. And overnight, your nervous system becomes calmer, more emotionally stable, more prepared to wake up feeling okay. Here is what you do tonight. In the real final 10 seconds before sleep, not 5 minutes earlier, not while you are still thinking. Bring one specific good moment into your mind. Not a list, just one real feeling. Maybe someone made you laugh. Maybe you finally finished something stressful. Maybe someone hugged you. Maybe there was one quiet, peaceful moment in the day where your brain finally relaxed. Hold that feeling as sleep arrives, because your brain keeps working on it all night long. Habit 2, the phone rule everyone gets wrong. 30 minutes is not enough. You have heard this before. Stop using your phone before bed, but the version most people follow, the 30-minute version, barely helps. And here is why. Phone screens affect a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin is the chemical signal that tells your brain, the day is over now, it is safe to fully rest. But research shows that phone light can continue disrupting melatonin for up to 90 minutes after you stop looking at the screen. So when you put your phone away only 30 minutes before sleep, your brain is still being chemically pushed toward alertness. Your body never fully switches into deep recovery mode, and then you wake up confused, emotionally flat, and exhausted even after getting a full night of sleep. But here's the part most people never hear. Your brain does not treat late-night scrolling as harmless entertainment. News, social media, arguments, comparison, other people's lives. Your brain sees all of it as emotionally important information that still needs to be processed. So while your body is trying to rest, your brain keeps working through all that emotional noise overnight, all night. And that directly fights against the calm emotional state you were trying to build before sleep. Here is what you do. 90 minutes before sleep, phone goes away, another room, face down, whatever works for you. Not 30 minutes, 90. Because your brain needs real time to slow down, real time to feel safe enough to fully rest. And honestly, the first few nights feel weird. Quiet feels uncomfortable when your brain is used to constant noise. If 90 feels too hard right now, start with 60 and build up, but work toward 90. Studies found that people who protected this window had better morning mood, less anxiety, and more motivation within just 7 days. No huge life transformation, no expensive routine, just one small shift before sleep. And if you know someone who scrolls themselves to sleep every night and still wakes up exhausted, anxious, and emotionally heavy, send them this video, because it is not random. It is direct cause and effect. Habit 3, the simple temperature trick. Your body is already trying to do this. Just let it. This one needs zero motivation, zero discipline, zero willpower. You just need to stop fighting what your body is naturally trying to do. When your body gets ready for sleep, it slowly lowers its core temperature. That drop is not random. It is a signal to your nervous system. You are safe now. You can fully let go. And that is when deep sleep begins. But when that temperature drop gets blocked because your room is too warm, your blankets trap too much heat, or you took a hot shower right before bed, your body gets confused. It thinks you are still active, still alert, still on. So instead of falling into deep restorative sleep, your brain stays in lighter, shallow sleep all night long. And shallow sleep does not just make you tired. It makes you emotionally fragile, more irritable, more anxious, more overwhelmed by small things. Tiny problems suddenly feel huge. Simple conversations feel draining. You wake up already mentally exhausted before the day even begins. Sleep researcher Matthew Walker at University of California, Berkeley, found that lowering your body temperature by even just 1 to 2 degrees is one of the strongest triggers for deep restorative sleep, the kind that actually repairs your brain and emotional system overnight. Here's what you do. About 20 to 30 minutes before bed, let your hands and feet stay outside the covers. That is how your body naturally releases heat. You can also run your wrists under cool water for 30 seconds before bed, or keep your bedroom slightly cooler than usual. That is it. Small adjustment, massive difference in how your brain feels tomorrow morning. Habit 4, the 2 minutes most people waste. The window that changes everything. Right before you fully fall asleep, in that strange drifting space where your thoughts blur together and reality starts fading, something powerful is happening in your brain. Scientists call it the hypnagogic state. Complicated name, simple idea. In those final 2 to 3 minutes, your conscious mind starts loosening its grip. And during that window, your brain becomes unusually open to suggestion, more open than almost any other time of day. Research found that thoughts repeated in this state can shape how you feel the next morning more strongly than thoughts from earlier in the evening. Your brain in this moment genuinely listens more carefully. But most people waste it. They either stay on their phone, which completely destroys the state, or they lie there replaying tomorrow's stress over and over again. And you know that feeling. Your body is exhausted, but your brain refuses to stop. You replay conversations, worry about tomorrow, think about everything you still have to fix, and suddenly it is 1 a.m. and your mind still feels loud. That feeling is horrible, like being trapped inside your own head. Here's what you do instead. In those final 2 to 3 minutes, after your phone has been away, after your final positive feeling, say one simple sentence quietly in your head. Tomorrow I wake up feeling rested, clear, and ready. Say it once, actually mean it, then let sleep come. This is not fake positivity. It is not pretending everything is perfect. It is a direct instruction to your brain, delivered at the exact moment it is most ready to absorb and act on it overnight. Habit 5, 10 seconds tomorrow morning. This is what locks everything in. Everything so far has been about preparing your brain before and during sleep. This last habit is different. This happens the moment you wake up, and it decides whether your brain keeps the calm emotional state it built overnight or loses it immediately. Tomorrow morning, before your phone, before notifications, before work, before stress, walk to a window or step outside. 10 seconds. Natural light. Open sky. That is it. And it sounds almost too simple to matter, but it matters more than most people realize. Every morning, your brain releases a natural wave of alertness and energy. That wave sets the emotional tone for your entire day. Your focus, your motivation, your stress levels, even your mood. It is basically your brain's reset button. And that reset gets activated by the very first light your eyes see in the morning. Natural morning light, real outdoor light from the sky, activates the systems in your brain that control your body clock, energy, and emotional stability. Andrew Huberman at Stanford University found that this process begins within seconds of natural light hitting your eyes. Not after a long walk, not after 20 minutes outside, within seconds. And when you do this consistently, something strange starts happening. Mornings stop feeling aggressive. Your brain feels quieter. You stop waking up with that immediate sense of pressure and mental chaos. For the first time in a long time, your morning starts feeling calm. But when your phone becomes the first thing your brain sees instead, notifications, messages, stress, noise, that natural reset gets interrupted before it even begins. Screen light cannot replace natural light. Your brain knows the difference. So here is the complete system. Simple, realistic, and powerful. Tonight, 90 minutes before sleep, phone away. Keep your room slightly cool. In the final minutes before sleep, tell yourself, tomorrow I wake up feeling rested, clear, and ready. And then the real last 10 seconds, hold one genuine good feeling tomorrow morning. Before your phone, before the noise, before the stress. 10 seconds of natural light from a window or outside. That is it. No complicated routine, no expensive products, no perfect life required. Just 5 small habits that work with your brain instead of against it. Because waking up exhausted every morning is not just tiring after a while, it becomes emotionally painful. And nobody should start every day already feeling drained inside. Fix the night, and mornings stop feeling like survival. Try the system tonight, and tomorrow morning, notice how different life feels when your day starts with calm instead of chaos. And if this video helped you, even a little, subscribe for more videos like this, because the goal here is simple: better mornings, better habits, and a better mind. Which one of these 5 are you trying tonight? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one.